Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. I'm excited to share an amazing opportunity with you. An amazing Forex trading broker offering a $50 no deposit bonus for 2024. But before diving into how you can claim this fantastic bonus, I have a quick request. Please watch this video in full to understand all the details, including the important terms and conditions. Let's get started on this incredible journey. APG Prime Welcome No Deposit Bonus $30. Free welcome bonus brings a chance to enter the live market without investing a penny from your own. Register with APG Prime and take a $30 USD free bonus. As long as the campaign is active, the respective new clients can take the opportunity to place live trades and generate profits. Forex $30 United States dollars no deposit bonus. Register an account. Verify the personal details. Get a bonus of $30 United States dollars. Cash out. Only profit can be withdrawn after completing a total trading volume of 10 standard lots. APG Prime No Deposit Bonus. Terms. General terms and conditions apply. The offer is only for the new clients of the company. This offer may be terminated at any time without such notice. I hope you enjoyed the video